Yo, college can be pretty overwhelming, right? Especially when you're diving into college level classes and coursework right after high school. But guess what? It's very likely that your college has an academic success center. The best part of it, it's totally free. Now, this all depends on where you go, but it might be called something different, like the Learning Center, the Tutoring Office, or Writing Center. But regardless of the name, its purpose is to back you up with academic resources. Yo, why don't we dive in to see what else this invaluable resource has to offer? Check it out. At your Academic Success Center, you can brush up on all your study skills, get help with tough subjects, and even knock out your essays with support and feedback. Now, the Academic Success Center is a great place to visit if you're struggling with homework or with exams and need tutors to help. Whether you prefer group settings or one-on-one settings, in person or remote, they have options that's tailored specifically to your needs. Let's take essays and writing assistance. You have a big paper looming? Writing coaches at the center can assist you with every step of the way, from drafting to editing, ensuring your arguments are on point and your writing shines. Now, success in college, it requires some very solid habits and some strategies. From note-taking to time management, the center offers workshops and tutoring to help you develop essential skills for academic excellence. Attend class. Supplement your learning with tutoring, but remember, it's not a replacement for attending lectures. Be prepared. Before your session, review your materials and jot down any questions that you have. Participate. Benefit from the knowledge of fellow students who serve as tutors. But remember, they won't do your work for you. Next up, plan ahead. Schedule your appointments in advance and arrive prepared to make the most out of your time. Now, we've only touched on a few of the many powerful benefits provided by the Academic Success Center. If you have any questions, and I mean any, about them, feel free to text us. Drop your questions in the comment section below. And don't hesitate to text us at #hello 335577 to chat with one of our advisors. Now, my name is Terrell with Get Schooled, and remember, Dream Achiever, the most valuable commodity that you can possess is information. And to get more of that, follow us here at Get Schooled.